Hi, John O'Donnell here from MarineMax, Maryland. Today I want to take you through a 2024 Sea Ray SDX 250 outboard. New arrival, gorgeous boat. Back here on the transom, a 250 horse Mercury Verado V8, so plenty of power on the back to get you around. We have sea deck across the swim platform here. And I want to show you now a really neat way that the 250 SDX here allows you to expand your room back here on the transom. So we have this the leaning seat here, which I can now roll this forward, and now I have a great seating area here facing aft if I want to watch my kids swimming back here or just enjoy the sunset. But what you can also do here is you can increase your space here. This little switch on the side here, I'm going to go ahead and just flick this. I'm going to roll this forward, and now I've just increased my swim platform area tremendously. Again, huge amount of room for boarding, entertaining, and everything. And a little secret surprise underneath here, we got an insulated cooler in here, self-draining insulated cooler as well. So there's storage and coolers galore throughout the boat. But you'll notice that this boat is set for entertaining. You've got USB-C and USB-A charging over here. You have a 12-volt charger in case you want to plug in your inflatable toys for your tubes and other water toys. And then a separate stereo control on this side as well, in addition to your speakers back here. In here, you've got a large storage compartment here, which runs the length of all of your seats. So it's approximately 8-9 feet long. So a tremendous amount of storage. And then true to Sea Ray, cup holders galore as well. You're never sitting anywhere on the boat without a cup holder nearby. So let's head up into the interior and see what else we have. So here in the main cockpit area, large seating area here for entertaining, which is really nice. You have plenty of storage underneath all of these seats, deep storage as well. You have some courtesy lights throughout the boat as well, so if at nighttime, there's a nice subtle illumination along the decking so you can watch your foot stepping as you're going through the boat. Within this part of the boat here, we also have what's really nice here is a ski locker down here. And in the ski locker, you'll also see your teak cockpit table. So check out your stills photos for that. But nice, deep, long locker. Your teak cockpit table goes up here in the cockpit as well. So it works out really nicely for entertaining, again, very much entertainment focused. So you can see right now, our captain and co-pilot seats are set facing forward for operating the vessel. However, if you're at the dock or you're at anchor or you're just adrift and you're want to do some entertaining, you can drop the captain seat bolster and then roll this forward. And then here on your co-pilot seat, you just roll this forward. And now you've got this, again, a large, even larger entertaining area. And imagine your teak table in here. You'll see the still photos. You'll check out the teak table as well. So really, really nice setup here. Again, for family entertaining, you can have a lot of guests on here as well. Here in the command center of this 2024 Sea Ray SDX 250 outboard, we have the upgraded 12-inch Simrad display with the OSX operating system, the new operating system. Really nice, elegant system, all touchscreen. Your Mercury engine management system will also integrate and display on there. Of course, all of your associated switches on there to control lights and anchor and everything throughout the boat. You have your Bluetooth Fusion stereo here, as well as your engine controls, obviously off to starboard there. And in addition, we also have a 12-volt outlet there for additional features. Big surprise here on the 250. We have a really nice head compartment here. And if you see, it's a pump out head, and you have like a little cuddy cabin down there as well. And this is the upgraded head. So there's a cushion that folds down from the port side and covers the head. So it makes a large berthing area there as well, in addition to having a nice head with a pump out capability. So that's a great feature on the 250 because the pass-through is on the port side, which we'll see here in a second. And gives you all that extra room down below in the cabin. So we'll go ahead and close the head up, and we'll go through that port side pass-through and see what's happening up in the forward part. So here's that pass-through. You do have, of course, your closing windshield. You do have a windbreak here. So if you want to just provide a little bit of protection through the cockpit, you can do that, no problem. But coming up forward here, great seating area. We have a bow filler cushion here. So we can fill this up here and you can make this another lounging area in addition to what you saw back aft. We've got an igloo cooler under here, so lots of nice take home, pack it home, bring it on board and stow that up here with its own special location on board. Again, cup holders and speakers. You've got more USB-A and USB-C charging. Cup holders galore. And again, of course, no boat is complete without your forward boarding ladder. So if you were beaching the boat on the bow, you can board via the bow and then just leave your engine in deeper water back aft. So this is the 2024 Sea Ray SDX 250 Outboard from Sea Ray. It's just a beautiful boat, new arrival. Please come down, check her out, and I'm looking forward to everyone visiting. Thank you.